nangu Mr Round sengikhona. When uyini kahle kahle fundamentally uyini? Angithi uMr Round uzokutshela wena ukuthi wena uyozungizwa ukuthi ngithini kuwena. Yabona wena uyi awareness, ne? I-awareness ke is very special. Yabo? It's very special. Yabo mangase ngithi njengamanje ngicela ube aware. Mangase ngithi ngicela ube aware manje. Into ezokwenzeka uzoba aware of everything. Mhlawumbe lapho kuduma ifridge, mhlawumbe lapho kukhala amaxoxo, mhlawumbe lapho you are going to be aware of everything because awareness is very broad and spatial in nature. But within the awareness, there's what we call this small segment ebizwa ukuthi attention. This is where the juicy comes from. This is where everything competes. Everything is competing for your attention because this is where the reality is being cooked. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Angithi ke i-awareness is very special. Lalela nje lapho. Mhlawumbe le video uyibuka emini. Uyayizwa imisindo ekhona. Miningi ihlukahlukene. We are just aware of those sounds, ne? They mean nothing. Just listen to them and don't judge them. We are just aware, eh? Just be aware. What do you do to be aware? Absolutely nothing. You just become aware. But bese ngithi ngicela ubeke i-attention yakho kweyodwa yale msindo o-aware of yona. Yabo? Usubeke i-attention manje to a specific thing u-aware of yona ukuthi ikanjani. I-awareness usuyishrinkile down. What is the name of i-attention? Attention ngokwesiLatin isho ukuthini? Reaching out, ne? It's a mental reach out. That's how God created the universe. Through what? Attention. Meditation, ne? Buka ke. Base ngithi angithi namanje ungaba aware ngamehlo akho ngithi iba aware. Mawu aware ngamehlo akho, you are just aware of everything there is there. You don't label anything, you are just aware, eh? But mase ngithi ke nikeza okukodwa attention. Sengiyabuka mina ngoba ngibhekene nesiqamelo lapha phambi kwami. Sengibuka lesasiqamelo imbali yaso, sengiyabukisisa manje sengibuka nanokuthi okay lokho ku 1 2 3. Now it is the attention now. Mase sekungena lento ekuthiwa attention. It is a narrowed down focus, ne? Lapho sekungena into ekuthiwa yini i-focus. Mase sekulana yilana ke la qhamuka khona ini i-reality iqhamuka kwi-attention kwi-focus. So that is why lento yama mass media, lento yama what they are competing for your what? For your attention, because they know the attention. So wena ngenzeka ukuthi attention in the wrong thing, yabo? And if you take your attention, you put it in the wrong thing, you are going to have a very terrible reality. What is happening? By the time you take your attention, you put it there. What you are going to make? You are going to make what? Judgments and what? And meanings. Lokho kuzokulethela lokho kuzokwakhela lento ekuthiwa yini i-belief, yabo? Then from i-attention yakho wakha ama-judgments and meanings. Okay, njoba ngibona nje ngiyabona okay, la muntu ufike wathi isandla kuleya nto eyilangabe evuthayo, angane uthi ilanga wathi isandla. Angithi ingane ifunda kanjalo ukuthi leya nto iyashisa leya nto. Ufike wathi isandla wase yasibuyisa wasithi yabo kusho le nto ibhlungu le nto now sekwakhela ini i-belief now leyo belief ke iyona ekhukhani i-reality. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Wena une-reality based on what you believe to be true. Okusho ukuthi uyibeke phi i-attention yakho. Kungenzeka ukuthi i-attention yakho uyibeke kwini kuma-news yabo, and kuma-news kwenziwani, kudlalwa ngani ngengqondo yakho. Uthola ukuthi i-attention yakho uyibeke wherever wena wazi ukuthi uyibeke i-attention yakho, but kumele ukwazi la uyibeke khona i-attention yakho. You are going to make judgments and meanings ukuthi kusho ukuthi, and once washo kanjalo then that is when okay kusho ukuthi impilo ayikho fair, impilo ayikho safe, impilo kanje kanje. Wena ucabanga ukuthi uma uthatha i-attention yakho uyibeke ekuthenini ey'ntweni ezikukhombisa ukuthi ku-unsafe kangakanani ukuphila, what judgments and meanings are you going to make la, and what belief are you going to make la? Are you not going to have a negative vibration? Okubuhlungu-ke ukuthi la ubeka khona i-attention yakho, ezinye zalezo zinto ey'ningi zazo zinjani, zikukhiwe ukuze wena ucabange into ethile yabo, bese uba nendlela ethile, kahle ushintshwa indlela yokucabanga. Izinto zikhompyutha for i-attention yakho. Even kuma-marketing mfethu, kuma-marketing izinto zonke they are competing for your attention. Everything is competing for your attention. Even the negative thoughts, asingakhohlwa lokho. Angithi attention ngithe it's a segmentation. Even the negative what? Thoughts. They are competing for what? For your attention. Okusho ukuthi uma uyisusa i-attention la uyibeke entweni oyithandayo wena, i-attention yakho ungayisusa uyibeke noma ikuphi la uthanda khona. When i-attention i-within the awareness, but wena you can take your attention. Yabo nje mina mangafuni ukukulalela mina ngikulaleli. Mangafuni ukuyibona lento eyenziwa ama-social media, mawuthi uyaklikha kanje vele kuvezele enye video abacabanga ukuthi uzoyithanda yabo, they are fighting for your attention uthi le muntu ufuna ukuthini yabo, and when are you able to go away? I don't like even eating ingqondo yakho. No man, watch that thing before you exit this social media yabo. Wherever they are fighting for what? Your attention. They bring you le nto le ikwenzela isidingo obungazi nanokuthi unaso. Omunye umuntu namhlanje unento ayithengile ngenxa ye-attention, wengazi nanokuthi lo nto uyayidinga, but because i-attention yakhe ilapha ya, and there is a mass media marketing ezokutshela ukuthi awukho enough if you don't have this. Look at people, they have this. So your attention is there, right? And then once your attention is there, now what you are going to make judgments and meanings. Shuthi ngiyashota mangenayo mina le phone. Shuthi mina ngiyashota mina mangenayo imoto, because now you took your attention, you put it where la khona ozokhonjiswa khona ukuthi wena inferior kangakanani, and then the judgments and meanings you are going to make are terrible, obviously. And the belief ozoba nayo izothi shuthi umuntu mangabe sewugqoka lesi skipper, mangabe sewuphatha le phone, mangabe sewuna lo muzi, angithi yabo, then sekwama beliefs akho based on the attention la kade uyibeke khona. How about taking your attention and focus it kwi-goal yakho of whatever that you want to do? Put your attention there and ungayivumi lento yani yokudidiseka, ngoba izinto eziningi zibanga umsindo. They are fighting for what? For your attention.